So good evening to all. Hope you're doing great. So in this video, we'll be discussing about Brightcom Group share. So previously, when we discussed about this particular stock, we have seen that stock has started reversing from the top levels, and we have discussed 2 days correction. Whatever the stock has showed, we have done the complete technical analysis. So today, again, from the lower circuits, we have seen the buying volume, and it has closed in the upper circuit region near 47.8 rupees, and in between even it has showed the fluctuations. So now arises 2 to 3 questions, that whether we can hold or sell, and second important thing, can we have a fresh entry? So all these questions we'll try to answer in this particular video. So make sure you're watching till the end, and if you're new to the channel, then definitely subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon to get instantly notified. And most important thing, do join the Telegram group so that you'll not miss any instant update followed by stocks for short term followed by swing. I'll provide link in the comment section. Okay, so discussing about Brightcom Group. So today in the Telegram morning itself, I've discussed that BCG would be open. So almost when 70 to 75% buying has started. So I've informed so that you can also take the necessary actions. And the same way today, before the closing session, that is the last 15 minutes, the stock was again open in the BSE segment. So I'll take you to the technical chart. So there we'll try to discuss each and everything in detail. So next, moving further towards the 2 questions that I asked in the beginning of the video. So first thing, whether I can hold or sell, and second question is whether we can have the fresh buy entry. Okay, so moving towards the first important question, that is whether we can hold or sell. So today, why the stock has reversed? So we need to remember important dates, like in the coming 3 days, I guess August 5th, we are having the AGM of Brightcom Group. So that particular session is going to be very important, where all the updates, the previous updates like bonus and whatever the deals were supposed to happen related to digital companies. So all these things, whatever would be discussed in that particular AGM. So this is one thing you need to remember. And the same way, coming to whether we can hold it. So definitely people have taken at low levels. So whatever we have discussed from 8 rupees, 14 rupees. So from there, if you are holding this particular stocks, you can keep holding it. So nothing to worry about it. So whatever the correction we are expecting is just a little bit minute downfall. Again, it will start retracing from that particular level. So today also the same momentum has been seen. So now let's go to the technical charts. So there we'll see what is the important region of breakout that we need to observe, so that we'll have the confirmation of uptrend. So this is very important. So now let's go to charts. Okay, so before going to charts, you can also see how the stock movement was seen in the last 5-year span. If you see, it has given around 440 returns in 5-year span. 2 years, you can see 1467% return. So very huge returns. 1 year 690.08, 6 months 573, means 5 times. 3 months also we have got almost 524, 1 month 94, and in the last 2 sessions, whatever the correction we have seen, so that has been completely nullified. So this is the basic trend returns that the Brightcom Group has given over the past few years. Okay, so now we are back onto the technical charts, and you can see this is the 1-day chart of Brightcom Group. So I opened BSE segment chart because we have some wider picture. So you can see the pivot support is also present near the 42.17. So today almost we can say before that region only the stock has started reversing a little bit. And as I told, in the last 15 minutes also we have seen little bit of selling, but however it has managed to close in the upper circuit. So you need to be little cautious. So as I told, people who are willing to buy this particular stock fresh entry, you can risk only in small amounts. So why small amounts? Because today we have seen first reversal sign. Okay, so to confirm the trend, either it should cross the 55 rupees level and with good volume, so that we can also justify that in the coming sessions it will continue that particular trend. So don't worry, you will get opportunity. So try to accumulate in small portions rather than putting entire investment at a time. so try to put small portions, so that would be better. Okay, so money flow index wise, it is 77 in daily time frame, so that is also very good, not completely in overbought region, in a very good decent range. Okay, so next moving towards the 15 minutes time frame. So today's movement, if we try to discuss, you can see multiple times the stock was open. So when multiple times it is open, you need to understand at some point of time little bit of profit booking is also happening for the people who were not able to sell at the top levels. So they were also booking the profit in between. So that's why multiple times the circuit was open. So this is also very important thing, and followed by the last 15 minutes, which are very important for the coming days. So there also little bit of selling was there, but it has managed to close at the 48 rupees region in BSC segment. In NSE, however, it was normally in upper circuit, but the number of orders which were present in the pending list, so they have reduced little bit before the closing session. So whatever happens in the coming days, you need to observe the range whatever we have discussed. Once it crosses 55, so then we can expect a good move in the stock, and followed by the AGM, which is scheduled on August 5th. So that particular date is also going to be very important. Some important conclusions would be given related to bonus, or it may be related to whatever the partnership updates which we have received earlier. So these are the important events. So until then, people are holding since low level, so they can keep holding it, so don't worry about that. And fresh entry wise, only invest in small portions, so not advised to invest in heavy quantities. And further, if you're having any queries, you can message in the comment section, and also you can connect with me in Instagram ID is Stocks Diary YT. So until then, stay safe, take care, bye bye.